3 years ago, an unexpected calamity devastated my whole family. Back then, I saw fires slowly devouring our beloved home. In shock, I hurriedly jumped out of the window, merely thinking for my own survival. And as I looked up, I saw smokes piling up. And in a snap, I realized I lost the most important thing in my life. It was to save my own family. And that was my biggest regret.
A pleasant morning, board members from different provinces. We are gathered here today for a purpose. Since Fire Prevention Month is approaching, allow me to introduce the head of the Board of Directors, Eric Valencia.
Have you ever noticed the common occurrence of fire mismanagement? Is it because of the unawareness of people about this matter?
Yeah, perhaps it is.
Maybe we should promote programs about causes of fire and how to use fire extinguisher.
I agree with your point, but may I add something more?
Yes, you can.
How about we discuss the different types of fire and learn how to properly use the fire extinguisher for our own knowledge?
Do everyone agree with that?
Yes, I do agree with that. So let us start off with what Class A fire is.
Class A fires are defined as ordinary combustibles. These types are fires use commonly flammable material as their fuel source. Wood, fabric, paper, trash, and plastics are common sources of Class A fires.
What are the substances that Class B have?
Class B fires are fires in flammable liquids such as gasoline, petroleum gases, tars, oil-based paints, solvents, alcohols. Class B fires also include flammable gases such as propane and butane. Class B fires do not include fires involving cooking oils and grease.
How about fire caused by electricity? What type is it?
Class C fire are fires involving energized electrical equipment such as computers, servers, motors, transformers, and appliances. Remove the power and the Class C fire becomes one of the other classes of fire.
What about combustible metals? Where does it belong?
Class D fires are fires in combustible metals such as magnesium, titanium, zirconium, sodium, lithium, and potassium.
Excuse me, may I clarify something? Which class does oil belong to?
Class K fires are fires with substances such as the animal and vegetable fats present in commercial cooking oils and greases. These types of fires can only be effectively quenched with the Class K fire extinguisher.
In every fire situation, one must know how to properly use the fire extinguisher in order to prevent possible casualties that may occur during a fire. How to properly use the fire extinguisher. Step 1. Check whether what class of fire can a fire extinguisher handle. Step 2. Read instructions and manual and check the needle part of the gauge if it is still in the green part. Step 3. Remember the pass. First, aim, squeeze, and sweep side to side. And remember to aim at the base of the fire and keep your distance from 6 to 8 feet away from the fire.
Now that we have come up into a common decision, we hope that this program will serve its purpose to spread knowledge and awareness to our fellow countrymen.
Meeting adjourned.
Thank you for coming.
I realized that being knowledgeable for own precautionary measure is way more important than anything else. If only I knew what the classes of fires and to use the fire extinguisher, I would have the opportunity to save my own family.